Okay, hello guys. Okay, welcome to the halftime show. It's November 18. This is John Yu, aka Boomy Trader. So what's up? If you notice anything different, um, we have a new gadget here. So it's a new one. So para mas malinaw yung audio natin, right? Um, I'm so excited to test it out. So we're here at the halftime show. The purpose of this video is just to inform you guys ano yung mga recently na mga gumagalaw, movers, top losers, ba't sila gumalaw, and then to keep you all updated sa lahat ng mga nangyayari, company news, disclosures, and all the updates that you need to know that happened for the first 3 days of trading, right? So this is every Wednesday, okay? So let's um let's go to our charting session now. Okay. This is all based on technicals, and then in purpose nito is just to update, and then hindi siya nagre-recommend ng any stock, okay, to buy or sell. Okay. So this is just for, you know, sharing purposes only. So don't get confused. I'm going to switch first to a normal mic since I need the mouse to navigate very, very fast. Okay. So here we have the PSEI. So starting with the PSEI. PSEI is strong to this week. As you can see, the PSEI itong week na to, no? Itong week na to, this is the 5 days yan. Hindi siya masyadong umakyat, but the underlying stocks there, sobrang daming umakyat. Okay? So, when you look at the index, wala lang. The index has been in that range 6,900 to 7,050. But if you look at the individual stocks, we've seen a lot of stocks move and fly. Sobrang daming gains. Okay? So, this halftime show will really be interesting because we've seen a lot of gains for the past 2 weeks. Grabe. So I'm sure you guys have felt it. If you are a trader, I'm sure you felt it. If you've been invested 2 weeks ago, I'm sure you made a lot of money also. If you didn't make money for the past 2 weeks, if you've been invested, I think you're doing something wrong. Okay, so that's not bad, but at least you know things to improve on. Okay. So let's go again here. Okay, let's start with the movers, okay? So movers for today, let's see. SGP is up. So nakita natin ito nag-creep up na siya for the last 5 days. It's been going up. So I don't know what's the news. So if you bought it at 180, you probably made a lot of money. So around 60%. MG, low volume stock, first day up. Not much. Ito, ceiling siya nung Monday. Okay, nag-ceiling, nagkaroon ng backdoor play, nagkaroon ng a little profit taking, and then today we can see it go back up 13%. So it's safe to say that it's forming a new base. It's around, it's established support at 45, yan. So it will make a new range here. So it might go sideways at this point before it moves higher. See, this is a low volume stock that we don't want to look. BHI, it's okay but not so much. Ito, Vol, siguro marami nakakuha nito. So ako hindi ko siya nabili. But if you can buy it here somewhere this post day, next day at what, 89? That's 20%. Wow. So I'm sure there's a couple of guys who caught this already because meron siyang ADX, meron siyang volume, di ba? And then nagkaroon na ng spike dito. And then the cheating here or the clue here where to enter was this area of consolidation. And then that's where I always look for. Okay, so congratulations to those who caught this. I hope you took money. Okay, Mary Mart, the darling stock of the month. or since 2 weeks ago. So we've seen this consolidate for the past since IPO niyan, tagal na tulog nito, no? So mga 3 months. Bilang boom, pumutok. Pumutok, fake out here, then the real moves. Real move came in here. 50% from that 340 range. So that's a big money. You can see this ADX creeping up 30. When it crossed the 30 mark here, I'll show you 30 yan. Dito na sobrang bilis na ng acceleration. Right? So, for you guys na hindi nyo alam anong ginagawa ko, I always teach momentum trading and then I always focus on ADX. ADX is the momentum indicator of the stocks. So, I always tell my students that we have to filter it out using the ADX. So, yan. So, that's why you can see ADX here always in my charting session. So ganda siguro ng expansion plans. We can see a lot of volume. All the traders are coming in. That's why we can see this favorite going up. And then one note also, it's also now at the current all-time high, meaning there's less resistance. Why? An all-time high na stock, meaning wala nang naipit sa higher prices, meaning wala nang gusto masyadong magbenta or less resistance. Ang magbebenta na lang sa'yo are the ones profit-taking. So, tendency of a stock is to go up faster when it's heading to the all-time high because it doesn't have any resistance. Okay, that's what I love. Those are the stocks that I like also upon when picking stocks. Okay, so up next will be ACEN. Okay, this is also an all-time high stock. So we saw this. This was last week, medyo kabado pa tayo because nagsabi nila they have a stock rights offering at below 3 pesos. Tapos meron 2.3 na price or something. So we saw it gap down here at 4 pesos. But after that 4 peso gap down, we saw it rally now 25% up pa from the low of that day, which is 4 pesos. 4 pesos yun. So my current take on this was Ayala Energy said they will may partners sila coming in. It's a Singaporean firm named GIC. So I think the market's take on that would be a very that's positive because getting a foreign partner is also a good sign. Diba? So siguro they took it as a good news and then there was a little dilution going to happen there. And so now we can see this fly at the all-time high with ADX around at 36, now going up. Okay, so IMI also a mover. So that started with the earnings report around here at October 28th, this area, and then it continued to move higher now. And we can see volume picking up and we can see momentum coming in. Okay, so itong mga to, mas walang Cebu Pacific, this gapped up because of the news. Wait lang, I'm just building with my tools. So ito ditong gap up na to, ito yung opening up and then ito continuation yung nangyari, pullback tapos continuation. So this was not only Cebu Pacific, all the global airlines really rallied. Okay, so Cathay Pacific, American Airlines, Boeing, United Airlines, all over the world nag-rally mga airlines. So here at sa PSE, yung PAL naman medyo illiquid. So we are only left with Cebu Pacific as an airline play. So this is the one of the opening of plays na kasama sa kanila. Okay? Before we go there, we'll talk about the losers for today before we talk about all the other winners and losers. So we have AR, not so mining. This has no volume, so we will skip it. Okay, Chelsea is a top loser, but still here and currently nasa uptrend pa rin siya. So we can see this uptrend. diba? So it's in an uptrend. The news here was diba about the Dito IPO. So sabi nila mag-IPO na raw yung Dito, which is really, really, really very complicated. So I don't, I, pati ako medyo nagugulan ako dun sa IPO niya. So it will issue new shares to the parent company of Chelsea, and Dito will buy also. Dito CME will have a share also with that. So there's a complicated sharing of issuing of shares, and then may parent, may part ownership of Chelsea and Dito, which is really, really, really complex. And they managed to do it really, really confusing na mabo, talagang confused na mahirapan ka talaga i-trace kung ano na nangyayari unless you have some kind of a flowchart like what I pictured last week. I'm not sure if I did that here or in the premium charting session in my members only video. Okay, so we can see 80 and go down. This one, ito yung mining, no? Mining, ito yung gumagawa ng rocks. So we've seen it go up 67%. No, now we can see a natural correction after it went up 68%. So now it's correcting, maybe headed to the 50-day MA because it already cracked the 10 and 20-day MA, right? So we are going to look at home, top loser. This is a normal, it's not really a top loser because it's just down 3%. Given the move that it did, it's up 40%. It's up 40%. So what's 3% of that? That's only a slight correction heading towards the 10-day MA. So that's a healthy correction, if you ask me. Fedex Mining also not that much, but I said it's forming a base. The base is right here. Current support is at 5. If it breaks that support, it will be the next 50-day MA support at 480. If you want to know how to trade the 50-day swing, you can check out my YouTube channel. Meron dyan the tutorial for the 50-day swing, which is very, very useful and powerful and a low risk trade setup. Okay, we can see WPI. This one got up last week, pero nag-pause siya. Tapos ngayon down. Tapos hindi naman siya masyadong down, 2% lang. Pero nandito siya ng movers. So we can see this. This one has, we'll put this a box here. If kayo gusto natin lagay yung mga lines, pwedeng mas malaking box nandito. So ayaw talaga niya mag-break out ng 75. So if you want to be sure, you have to wait for it to break out at 75. But support will be at 60. If you want to buy near 60, that's fine also. Because if you bought at 62 cents, now you have made almost 20% at the bottom if you're just range trading this stock. So this medyo malaking range, so it will be for you to capitalize on the range. Okay, let's talk about the other movers. We've seen the big blue chips move. So we've seen Ayala Land move. Ganda ng chart today. Wow. So this is one of my favorite setups. So this might go up again on tomorrow. SM Prime Holdings. Top gainer to. We're forming a consolidation here. Ready to move higher with an ADX of 40 plus. Okay. So ano pa bang ibang property? Mega World announced share buyback program. That's why it broke out of yan lakas oh. So it broke out here dito sa area na to. Yan, so tuloy-tuloy yan. 17% from that area of breakout. Dito ako makakabili. So I'm just calculating. Doon ko binibilang kung how much I will make. So if ever realistically, I would buy this at 3.3, 3.35. So 70% in 1 week's time. So that's a sign that this is a very, very bullish environment because you can make a lot of money with almost all the sectors. Okay. BPI, we saw this. So last week, nag-move to kasi nasali siya sa heavyweights ng MSCI. So we saw this spike here because na-added weight siya. So kailangan bumili mga funds. So here, it's uptrending. So it's just there. Metrobank, nice pause days here, boom. And then here we're looking at the continuation. This is a very nice chart also. PNB slowly moving higher. So yeah, no. So from 27, it's just creeping up to 29.50. That's almost 10%. 10% in the last 10 days, 1% per day. Hindi mo na feel. 29 na pala siya. 30 pesos na. So that's a really good stock also. LTG is the one I like also currently. Why? Because this is one of the setups that I want. A setup with momentum. So it's now creating a huge pattern here. 11.50 to 13, bound to break out. So this can go down first before it breaks out. But here, if this tomorrow, it breaks out tomorrow, then I'll still take it. Okay. You can see this trying to move higher. So fully corrected MACD, 50 yung ADX. So this has a lot of bigger chance for it to move higher. Okay. So LTG, ano pa niya? So ito yung mga MWIDE, nakita natin na gumagalaw sila lahat. MWIDE, nanalo sila ng bid ng airport. Okay, so we can see ito, breakout. Pag breakout niya, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, may 4 pa. Tapos ngayon, nagpo-pause. So it's a stock that we want to look at. Ito, ADX niya as a 40. ADX at 25 na. So momentum is coming in. I would prefer this to pull back near the 20-day MA, 10-day MA before going in. HLCM also saw that move, go up. Yan. So ngayon nagpo-push siya dito sa loob. It's an inside day candle. So we will see what happens here, but the support will be at 640, the previous breakout point or the high. So yan, maganda yan. So if ever I'll buy it tomorrow, so I have a cut at 640. That's really a good stock also to watch. CHP, we saw it trying to break out also, yan. So, but it's kind of slow because of, but ADX is present. So I think this has a chance to move. Nice close today. Tomorrow we should move it. Tomorrow we should see this fly. Put your stop at 1.7 and then there you have it. Okay. Parang sorry, nasanay ako sa nasanay ako sa premium charting. So that's what we do. We guide you towards kung saan yung buying point, saan yung cut the price. So basically I'm just giving you a free market update with a lot of entry point tips. So I don't mind. So it's for everyone to make money. So here we can see PXP sideways consolidation near the range 11.50 towards 13. Okay, so that's also nice. So ano pa ba yung mga movers? Ito, Ayala Core moving, GT Capital also moving. All of them big caps trending. ADX is above 40 na. Okay. FA moving. Sabi na pala yan. MRC also spiking up. Uptrend channel tong MRC. So yeah. Security Bank, it's up there. Ayala Logistics, top gainer yesterday. So this is a clean breakout. This pause is a very good pause day. So we might see another pause day tomorrow before we can see maybe a follow through next day. So but then yan, right? PHR, we've seen this move last week na medyo malaki. So now today nagkaroon ng up candle. So I think the safe support will be around at 280. If you want to buy tomorrow, you have to put your stop at 280. Okay. I think that's it for the week. I've said more than enough. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I'll see you guys again next Wednesday. Premium members, I'll see you guys this Sunday. Something new is coming up. I'm very excited. I can't announce it yet. I'll announce it probably next week or by the end of the month. Um, Thank you for watching. I hope you guys made a lot of money. This is the environment that we all want to be in. It's a momentum environment. It's like free money, not free money, but it's very, very to spot a lot of winners. Okay, so just pick your spots, and I'm sure a lot of you guys made money. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayo. Sa mga na baha na typhoon, I hope you guys stay safe. And then sa mga may sakit, just stay at home. Iwas pa rin tayo sa COVID. Wear a mask. Okay? So, just help to not spread the virus. Kasi, malapit na matapos. Malapit na yung Christmas. Mahirap pagkasakit. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week. 2 days for the week. Time to make more money. So, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.